Are you looking for the perfect home in the city of Parkland? Then you're going to have to check this one out. Hi, I'm Milva Gooley with Berkshire Hathaway, and I'm in the community of Miralago. This home in Model Row offers a ton of custom upgrades. Built in 2015 with almost 3,000 square feet on the air, is the perfect place to call home. Miralago offers the best amenities in the city of Parkland: 2 pools, gyms, tennis, basketball court, and more. Please contact me for a showing.